Hi, my name is Mohammad Zishan Javed, and today I'm giving the presentation on my entrepreneurship project report. This report is basically on the IT related concept. So the business name is EduSphere, and the idea which I'm working on is the virtual reality in education platform. Move to the next slides. So here you can see the picture at the top, which is the interface of virtual reality tool. So whenever you use the virtual reality tool, that's how the interface you will see. So what this business is about, I will give you the overview of EduSphere. EduSphere will provide the virtual reality education platform, which will make use of VR technology to give students an immersive and interactive learning environment. VR technology can improve understanding of information, increase motivation and engagement, and provide individualized learning experiences. There are many opportunities for growth for VR education platforms, including market expansions, collaborations with educational institutions, and professional development and training. So that's what the overview of EduSphere is. Now we will move to the next slide. Here you can see the organization chart of EduSphere. At the top, there is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and under that, there is a CTO and CFO, Chief Technology Officer and Chief Finance Officer, respectively. So what's their role about? The CEO will be in charge of company's general administration. The CTO will be responsible for the technical aspects of the VR platform, and under his there is team of developers and designers. And then CFO will be in charge of funding and money management, and under his there is his team of content team, marketing team, and finance team, which will handle all the financial things. So each of the three company founders will be given an equal ownership. So now we will move to the next slide. Here you can see the marketing trend going on nowadays in virtual reality. As far as the age categories are concerned, the market will be divided into groups based on the ages of learners 12 to 30, including children, adolescents, young people, and professionals. So it also divided in the subjects as well. The market will be classified into separate disciplines or topics such as science, engineering, and medicine. Here you can see in the pie chart that 45% of use of virtual reality is in science, and then 24% in engineering architect, and then 14% in medicine, and then 7% in computer science, 4% in social science, 3% in safety education, and 3% is all other related stuff like recreational activities. So now we will move to the next slide. Here you can see the SWOT analysis of this virtual reality. Here we will discuss the strengths, weakness, and opportunities and threats as well. So as far as the strengths are concerned, it's an innovative and interesting learning environment, possibility of working with academic institutes. And then there is a weakness, expensive initial VR technology investment, limited reach owing to equipment needs, opportunities, and increase in interest in realistic and dynamic educational scenarios, collaborations with organizations and creators of educational content. So those are the strengths, weakness, and opportunities. Now we will talk about the threats. So the threats related to VR technology is current VR equipment being outdated due to technological advancements. Some education institutions being hesitated to use VR technologies because of it's too expensive and sometimes it's not good for the eyesight as well. So now we will move to the next slide. Here is the strategic and financial plan. So what's the mission statement? The mission statement is by employing virtual reality in our education, we hope to modernize education. So the long-term and strategy and goals, the long-term goal will be used for EduSphere to create a VR platform, the virtual reality platform, boost revenue by 25% by the end of 2023, to expand market share by 20% by the end of 2023, reduce expenses by 10% by the middle of 2024. Here you can see the chart of cost of investment, where there is a prices of registration and license, which is $2,000, office equipment is $10,000, and IT infrastructure is $18,000. Overall total projected expenses is $30,000. So here we make a income statement projection as well for the next 12 months. Every month you can see at the top there is a subscription plan fees of $50, training fees, license fees, and all related expenses. And at the end we show you the actual amount which will you earn after the end of every month after tax deduction. So that's what my presentation is on virtual reality education platform. So hope you like it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.